Welcome back everyone to a brand new cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Tron, looking at the price and predicting where it is going to go. Now, taking a look over here at Tron, we can actually see that on January 24th, we did hit a new low right around 5 cents. And since then, we have got a good pump to the upside, reaching all the way up to around 7 cents. Now, as the overall market has collapsed over these last few weeks, Tron has actually held pretty well, only going down to around 60 cents where we sit right now. But the question is, what is next for Tron? Are we going to see lower price targets, or can we expect a turnaround to the upside, finding support and hopefully, getting back into that 70-cent range that we like to see Tron at? So in order to determine where Tron is going to go next, we do need to take a look at our Fibonacci retracement tool so we can see where our price supports and resistance are. So if we draw it from the bottom to the top, we can actually see that Tron has had some pretty good support and resistance right around this 0.382 level and this 0.5 level of the Fibonacci retracement tool. If we come in on the hourly candles and come in a little bit more, we can see that at this 0.382 level, we did find resistance twice and then it broke to the downside. So we came up, couldn't break through, failed to break out, went back down, tested it again, failed to break out, came back down. Now we're back at this 0.5 Fibonacci level, and we did find some good support. And it looks like we're finding support again right now as I'm making this video. So you see, we came down, found support, got a bounce back up, and then we came back down over the past few hours. And right as I'm making this video, we are getting a green candle bouncing a little bit. And this is what we want to see. This is where we need to see Tron at. If Tron can get a good bounce here, then we can expect another retest of this 0.382 level. And if we break through that, that is when we are going to be seeing Tron hopefully back up in that 7-cent area. So it is very important that we do get this bounce as I'm making this video. So make sure you're keeping an eye on that as you're watching this video. Can we break through this? And this is also a pretty good opportunity to go long on Tron, because we are seeing a bounce here on this support level, and we could see higher price targets if we do actually get this bounce. Now, for instance, if we do not get this bounce and we do actually fail this breakout, then it is important that we look at our next Fibonacci level, which is our most important level at the Fibonacci Golden Pocket. Our Fibonacci Golden Pocket currently sits at around 6 cents or just below it. So that is where we need to be looking at if we do not hold this 0.5 Fibonacci level. We should then expect our next support to be down here right around this 0.059 area. And that is where I'd be expecting a serious bounce. And then we could see Tron hopefully getting a good price action to the upside. But overall, I'm actually pretty confident in Tron. Tron has held up pretty well throughout the past few weeks of the markets being absolutely terrible. And Tron has really held its own throughout the entire markets collapsing. So that is a pretty bullish sign for me and shows that Tron does have a lot of support behind it. Real quick, guys, before I continue, make sure you guys are following me over on Twitter at MarkCryptoNFT. This is where I'll be posting live cryptocurrency updates for Tron and other coins, and you'll be getting a live technical analysis, so you guys will have the latest updates quicker than my YouTube videos, because my YouTube videos take some time to put out, but this will be instantaneous. So make sure you guys are following me over there at MarkCryptoNFT. Now, taking a look back at Tron, it is time to look at our Lux Algo buying and selling indicators. So on the 4 hourly candles, we can actually see that we are on a strong sell indicator. That came in around 4 days ago, and we've remained on a strong sell indicator since then. But however, if we do get this bounce, I am expecting us to get a buy indicator right there, and then hopefully that buy indicator can push us back up into this 0.067 range. And then taking a look over here at our daily candles, we can actually see that we have been on a strong sell indicator as well. We did actually flip to a buy indicator on the 3rd, when we did get this nice little pump up to this 7-cent range. But since then, as the markets have collapsed, we did get a strong sell indicator. But compared to other coins, Tron has held up pretty well. Even though we do have sell indicators, Tron has held up pretty well throughout this overall market collapse, which is a really bullish sign in my opinion. But guys, most importantly, we just have to be looking at the entire cryptocurrency market and are hoping that Bitcoin and Ethereum and the entire markets in general can turn around and flip bullish. As soon as the cryptocurrency market flips bullish, as well as Bitcoin and Ethereum, that is when we are going to see Tron really get that bullish run that we want, getting those, 20, 30, 40% increases that all Tron holders want to see. So make sure you guys are paying close attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum, making sure that they actually do get some bullish momentum. And then if they do, expect Tron to follow suit and get back up into those price territories that we like to see it at. But other than that, guys, just make sure you guys are taking a look at that Fibonacci retracement level, making sure we find support right there. I'll draw a line here so you guys can see it a little bit better. Right here, this is where we need to be getting this bounce. And right now, we currently are getting this bounce. It keeps going up. As I'm making this video, you guys can see that it actually has gone up a little bit more. We're getting a really nice bounce. So make sure that you are keeping an eye on this, and we should be retesting this 0.382 level soon. So keep an eye on that for sure. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing to the channel. And with that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.